Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo Y18 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power it off. To power it off, press the volume up and power key together, and you can see this is the power off option available. Tap on power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now first press the volume up key, now press the volume down key and press and hold it for few seconds and release. And you can see Vivo recovery fast boot. Okay, here you can see Vivo fast boot. Now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now go to recovery mode and confirm. And you can see it will send you in Vivo recovery. Install software, clear data, check system and enter safe mode is available. Now go to clear data, and here you can see clear cache and clear all data. Now go to clear all data. So here you can see clear all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Now here tap on OK, and you can see clearing data. Do not use the device. So here you can see cleared, all data cleared. Now tap on return. Now go back, and you can see on bottom power off and restart. Now tap on restart, and you can see restart your device. You can see restart your device. Tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo Y18 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.